Out there. Let Krieger and the Tinkerer kill each other. Go back to being Spider-Man when the heat dies down.
And what? Just hide down here? I don't get to pick and choose when I'm Spider-Man. I gotta stop Finn.
No, you gotta survive. I've been trying to teach you that, but you don't listen.
You want me to survive so bad? Why sell me out to Krieger?
Wasn't a sellout.
Yeah.
I'm serious. You were never supposed to get caught. Krieger broke our deal.
You want it back in the family, and that's the best you could do?
I saved your life.
You threw me in a cell!
To protect you.
Like this is protecting me?
Damn it, Miles! I'm not gonna lose you too!
And I'm not gonna let people die just to save my skin. You underestimated me.
Damn it, no! Don't fight me on this!
I don't want to, but I can't stay down here.
Then I'll do what I have to. Keep you safe.
This cloaking tech, I need to short it. This isn't about me at all. It's about you. You're afraid.
Don't you turn this on me! Going dark, huh? I know it won't last.
When are you gonna understand that I have to fight for this city?
You can't do that if you're dead.
My dad can see us now.
He'd understand that I gotta protect you.
I made so many excuses for you. I need to find him. Hit him with venom. You gotta know how messed up this is!
Let someone else risk it. You don't realize I'm the only one trying to save you.
And I'm trying to save everyone else.
You think you can beat the Tinker? Rock something. You can.
I have to try! Whoa!
Stay back, nephew! Didn't your mentor teach you about picking your battles?
He taught me to put other people ahead of myself! What the?
You got tricked! Rock's on counter! You don't get how the real world works! Dog eat dog!
Not if we make it better! You gotta stay away from those things!
Without your power, what are you?
You don't get it! You never fought for anyone but yourself!
Maybe that's why I'm still alive!
You can't keep me down here! myself to you. Finn doesn't know what she's about to do. He's using Rockstar tech, draining my power.
I'll do what I have to keep you safe. Don't be stupid, Mom. Throw yourself at enemies you can't beat. Know who else did that?
Don't say his name!
You want your mom to bury you too? I won't let you.
Holograms? More tech from your buddies at Roxxon?
I adapt. You can't keep up. You're naive, nephew. You're the kid looking up to Spiderman.
No, I'm the kid who knows people are looking up to me.
Get back.
You're never gonna accept me as Spider-Man. The risk I gotta take?
You're right. How far will you take this? You gonna kill yourself proving you deserve that mask?
If that's what it takes.
Man, please, don't do it! Don't throw your life!
I'll do what I have to, just like you. Come on, give yourself away! Can't counter every trick! I never wanted to fight you, not you! There's too many!
I know I messed up. I let you down. We're family.
Family? That didn't stop you from lying to me, manipulating me, fighting me? Being family isn't enough anymore.
Doesn't have to be like this. You, me, hating each other? That's how it happened between me and your dad. I don't want to repeat that.
I don't either. But I can't be the person you want to turn me into. I can't turn my back when people need me. I have to be better than that. Ganke.